Namaste, my name is Elka Dhupti Auli. I'm a teacher educator by profession. This is my 20th video of Spiritual Science Master Program. In today's session, Dr. Spurti discuss about the second chakra of the body, that is the Swadhisthana chakra. So what is the meaning of Swadhisthana word? Then what is the location of this chakra in the body? Then what is the color of this chakra? Then what is the Bij mantra related with this particular chakra? Also, she explained about all the fears or related with this chakra, and if the chakra is blocked, then what will be the consequences. That also she discussed in detail, and how the healing, which kind of healing process can be done with this particular chakra. For that, she suggested the meditation, which is done with the help of music. So we had done this meditation, and with music and proper chanting the Bij mantra of this chakra. So it is really good, and it is really effective, and I think those who are interested in learning about this chakra should definitely consider about this Spiritual Science Master Program. And thank you, Dr. Smriti. You explained all the terms properly, and you had answered all the questions also. So now we get so much clarification about this particular chakra, how it works, and what are the fears, and what are the consequences, and why this chakra blocked in the body. We get clear idea about this chakra, and you use PPT as usual. So we get a colorful presentation also, and it will be easy to remember also. So thank you, Dr. Spurti, for wonderful session, and thank you for listening my video. Namaste.